Okay, so in this video we will do an unboxing and a first start of a Bigme B751 color e-ink tablet or e-ink reader. This is also called Bigme Pocket Note 2 Color. But as I said, this will be a first unboxing and a first start of it. So after that I will do more videos, of course. This is my first color e-ink reader. I have only used black and white ebook readers before, so this will be my first color one. It will be interesting to try this, and it will also be one of e-ink devices I have in my collection. And this color e-ink tablet also supports writing with a pen if you prefer that. I'm not much for taking notes with a pen and so on, but with this one you can if you want. But I will usually use this only for reading though. And this one runs Android, I think Android 11. And Android 11 means that you can have Google Play Store on this. It's pre-installed with Google Play Store even. Interesting. I don't know really what this is though. Maybe a case. I think this could be a case. I didn't know that a case was included actually. We will see then later on if this is a case. And here we have the pen and something on that. We will see that later on. So here we have the tablet itself. And here we have the case and the pen. So let's start by unboxing the e-ink tablet, as Bigme calls it. We have some specs here, as you see. This is a collaboration with G.Day Reed, Bigme and G.D. Reed, to make this one. And as you can see, it has an octa-core CPU, 300 dpi for black and white and 150 for color. It's a 7-inch, as you see there. 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. Front light. 2300 mAh battery. USB Type-C. So, very interesting to try this one, and you will find links down below in the description where you can find more information and also buy this one. So let's try to find how to open this. Without make scratches on the box, preferably. I love to have all my boxes intact because I have them in on my desk. So I love to have that because I have so many ebook readers now. I love to have the boxes intact. Like so, and like so. Let's move this one and this one. So now we have the box itself. It should now be just to drag this out. Wow, really nice package. I love when they do these kinds of nice packaging. As you see here, looks really nice. Just for you. So now if I open this up, Nice. And this, and here we have the e-ink reader itself, the ebook reader that uses a color display, a color e-ink, Kaleido 3. Let's see how to do this then. Always hard to find out how they are thought that you should do this. Very cold, I think. Feels almost like metallic coldness, but I think this is plastic below this. Well, I don't know really how to do this, so I maybe just try to open it by force instead. So here we have the Bigme Pocket Note 2 color, B751 color. And we have a very nice feel in the hand. It feels like metallic actually. But I guess it's a hard plastic, but it feels like metallic. And we have a metallic edges on it. So I really love that, as you can see. Power on button probably. And here we have some page turning buttons. And it feels very, very good in the hand. A lot better build quality than the Kobo Libra H2. It feels more plastic. And the buttons are better placed, I think, on the Bigme. So I love that. And it's heavier than the Kobo Libra H2O. Maybe that is not a good thing, but it could also be a good thing because the battery life could be better then. So that's the ebook reader itself. Here we also have some instructions probably. Yes, instructions, very nice packaging. And here we have a USB-C cable, is my guess. A USB-C to USB-A. USB 3.0 to USB-C. That's nice to have. In the box too. So that was the unboxing of the reader itself. So now, while clicking on the power on button, like so, we will do unboxing of the other stuff. Meanwhile, let's have this up here so you can see it's starting. So now we will go into this package. Meanwhile, here we have, I guess is that it's the edges of the pen, different styles, I guess. No, it was a SIM card tray or storage tray. Maybe I missed that it has, yes, it has a micro SD card slot, as you see there. So this is for the micro SD card slot. And here we have for the pen, different stuff is my guess. Maybe that was what in the box. Yes, it was. So that's what's in this box. Maybe for the pen there. And here we have some more stuff in the box. Here we have, as you should do with a pen, And here we have the pen itself. As I said, I'm not much for styluses and pens, but it's good to have if I want to use one. I'm not sure how to open that, so we do this with a scissor instead. Like so. And this should be for batteries, I think. I'm not sure it has batteries, but well, it has batteries. One battery. Okay, so that's nice. I think this pen should work immediately, is my guess. And I'm not sure what this is for, but maybe we'll see that later on in another video or later in this. So now we have just one package left to unbox, and that is a case for this reader. Feels a bit leathery, actually, the case itself. Even if it's plastic, it feels a bit leathery. We will mount that later on. But now we will do a first start. Maybe we should do some comparison in size with the Libra H2. It feels smaller than the Libra H2, even with the same 7-inch display, actually. Well, yes, it is smaller, even with the same 7-inch display. I like that. So now we should choose different languages. Maybe I should choose Swedish if that's possible. I'm not sure. I'm not sure it has Swedish language. We do without the pen, I think. Much for pens, as I said. So maybe we should choose Swedish. I could change that later on, maybe. But Smart Office. I'm not sure I want to have any Smart Office, but we can do that. User guide. You should do some pairing and so on, as you see. Okay, but I don't want to do that in this first video. Here we have my home network. Let's log into that. Here is a guide how to use Android. We will check that later on. Office style or tablet style? I want to have tablet style, I think. No, I don't want to do this now. Like so, we have some user guide on how to do stuff. I will check that later on. It has a system update, sadly so, but we can do that later on, because this video is soon ending. I should just try to see. We have Kindle installed already, but I will delete that and install the real Kindle from Google Play Store. When we have Google Play Store here, I should log into that. But as you can see, it has some color here, because it's a color e-ink display. As you can see here, we can raise Okay. Well, that's nice. So now I have something to play with again. I will do a lot of videos, and please check out the links in the description text where you can read more about this and also where to buy it. It feels like a really great successor to my LibreAce2 for the moment. This is an old device because I will run co-reader on this easily. It will work great with co-reader and also with the Kindle app. So I will have my co-reader books and the Kindle books on this, and I will also have the Storytel account for my audiobooks and ebooks streaming from the Storytel account. So I can use this device for all my books, and it will sync with my Kobo e-readers when I'm using co-reader, for example, and it will sync with my books Palma when using co-reader. And also if I use Storytel, it will sync on all my devices that can run Storytel, like the books Palma and this one, for example. And the same with Kindle. I can sync with all my Kindle devices and use this Kindle on this and also my books Palma. So this will be really nice to do different stuff with. So please like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Okay, bye.